Here I have OPPO F9 and let me show you how to enable here battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Here from settings you need to tap on battery right here. And here you can use some battery settings, you can read the battery information, the battery consumptions, and you can also here enable the power saving by using that switcher. Let me show you. And that's it, the power saving is activated. Here you can also, for example, set up the power saving. You can, for example, enable background synchronization, or you can disable the reducing the screen brightness. So that's it. If you would like to quit the power saving, let's use the same switcher, and now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.